Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi using your phone. So basically we have a few options how to charge our earbuds using a phone, and the first one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable. If your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and right here at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port also. So connect the second one right here, and right here we have a LED light, so it means that it's charging. But as I said previously, we have a few options, and the second option is to use reverse wireless charging. So if your phone supports it, you can enable it in the application and you can use your phone. Also, you just put on it and we have a LED light here, so it's also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.